Welcome to a part 1 of section 3. So this is going to be about installing plugins and templates. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to install a plugin called Elementor. Now Elementor is a theme designer for WordPress that allows you to design your WordPress pages without any code. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and install it. Now I've already navigated to the website on localhost. So what you needed to do was to start your server like I showed you how to do in the previous video, which you just do by clicking or typing in WAMP, clicking on that, waiting until it says all services running, and then waiting for that to be green. And then what you're going to do is you're going to navigate to the actual website. So I installed it in the WordPress directory. So that's what I'm going to navigate to. So that's how you would get to the website. So we're going to navigate to this, it loads. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go into the back end of WordPress. And the way that you do that is by going to the localhost / your website folder directory / WP admin. And that will take you to this directory, to this page here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to log in. Now this is what the back end of WordPress looks like. Now it's quite bare bones at the moment, but after you've installed some plugins, you'll have quite a few changes. So the first plugin that we're going to install is a plugin called Elementor. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on plugins. We're going to click on add new. And this will take up to a plugins list, and we're going to search for Elementor. And it'll be this one here, Elementor Website Builder, more than just a page builder. And we're just going to click install now. That's going to go ahead and install. Now, once it's installed, you need to activate it. So we're going to click on activate. And it's going to ask you to create an account. You can just skip this for now. So you can skip, just click skip. And then just click on edit a blank canvas from Elementor. So we just click on that. And now we have Elementor installed. So this was the end of part 1 of section 1, which was installing Elementor. Next we're going to install Royal Elementor. Thank you.